Streetlights blur, a neon haze, and another night lost in a daze. Your ghost still dances in my head. Words unsaid, a story unread. This empty room, it screams your name, playing a cruel familiar game. My heart's a drum, a steady beat, but every rhythm feels incomplete. Oh, the echoes and the static melancholy sound lost in the frequency where you can't be found. Symptomatizing a bittersweet refrain, trying to break free from this emotional chain. Driving forward, but looking back is true. Every single beat is still for you. I trace the lines of a forgotten dream, caught in the current, against the stream. Memories flicker, a fading light, haunting me through the endless night. I try to move on to find my way, but every step leads me astray. This heavy silence weighs me down, lost in the echoes of this soul. Oh, the echoes in the static and melancholy sound lost in the frequency where you can't be found. Symptomatizing a bittersweet refrain, trying to break free from this emotional chain. Driving forward, but looking back, it's true. Every single beat, it's still for you. Maybe someday the signal will clear, and these phantom whispers will disappear. But for now, I chase the ghost of your touch, knowing I loved you oh so much. This driving beat, it keeps me alive. Through the heartache, I will survive. Oh, the echoes in the static melancholic sound lost in the frequency where you can't be found. Syntax rise,